Hello everyone, welcome to Beginner's Guide. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert checkbox in Microsoft Excel. For that, you have to go to the developer tool. Let's say for example, you're not seeing the developer tool on your Excel. The best thing that you can do is to go to the file and select the options. From here, you should be able to go to this option that says custom ribbon. From here, I'm sure that if you go to the right side, you should be able to see this developer. In case if you're not seeing this option on your Excel, it simply means that this box is not checked. Make sure to check and then click OK. As soon as you click OK, you should be able to see the developer tool here. Now open the developer tool, go to this option that says Insert, select the checkbox from this form controls, come to your cell and just draw that checkbox. Once you draw the checkbox, you should be able to see this checkbox inside your Excel. Now expand it. You should be able to see the checkbox together with a label that says checkbox 1. You can just put the cursor here, press delete button on your keyboard to delete the text. Now your checkbox is ready. You can be able to check and uncheck. Let's say for example, you want to have the checkbox not just in this particular cell, but from this cell all the way up to the end. For that, what you need to do, select the cell. Let's say for example, after selecting the cell, you have to go here. If you see a plus, you can just drag all the way down so that you should be able to see this particular checkbox. Let's say for example, you're not seeing this plus icon there, you're just seeing the hand icon. In that case, hold the shift key, press the down arrow, select all the cells and press Ctrl D on your keyboard. Even in this case, you can able to have the copies of checkbox to the other cells. This is how you can insert checkbox in your Microsoft Excel. Let's say for example, you want to delete any of the checkbox from these checkboxes that you have inserted. In that case, you have to hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard, then select the checkbox, then press delete key on your keyboard, then you should be able to delete it. Then I'm going to do Ctrl Z because I want to have it. This is how you can insert checkbox in your Microsoft Excel. For more videos like this, do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.